Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to schedule a post. So here, let's say I am going to create a post. So let's click your create post and then paste your content here. And then after that, once you already have the content, you click the next portion. And then from there, you click not now. And then you add the title. So let me copy this specific one. Then copy and paste. And then here, who can see this? You can change it into public or what. But the focus here is the scheduling options. So you have the option whether to post it now or schedule for later. So if you choose that, you will be prompted into a specific calendar wherein you're going to choose what specific date you're going to post it. And once you click OK, you also have the option to post it on a specific time. So let's say for example, I want to post it on 6 p.m. later. Then okay. So it was scheduled for later. So click save and then click schedule. And then this will be automatically scheduled already. And then wait for later until 6 p.m. once it was already uploaded. So that's it for today.